A few clouds in our Monday night forecast. Low temperatures will fall to about 50 degrees on our way into the 70s Tuesday afternoon. Midday 64, mix of sun and clouds, and highs again in the low to mid 70s. Most of us between 70 and 75 on Tuesday. 73 in Noblesville, 74 in Muncie, 72 Richmond, 74 Indianapolis. Wednesday afternoon we get another warm day, but check out the colder air that will be close. That cold front will arrive here Wednesday evening. So we have Tuesday dry, most of Wednesday dry. It'll be Wednesday evening that rain chances arrive, scattered showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder later Wednesday night, and then much cooler air on the way for Thursday and Friday. Interesting weekend setup. We'll be tracking some warmer air, but also a couple of storm chances. 74 Tuesday, most of Wednesday dry. It'll be Wednesday evening, Wednesday night that we get that best chance for rain. 76, and then much cooler Thursday's high only 62, 65 on Friday. Right now, chance for some rain Friday night. A good part of the weekend will be dry. We'll keep you posted on rain chances and be prepared for another warm up between 75 and 80 degrees Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.